I've been an apprentice for some years now.
There we go.
Are you okay that way?
Yes.
Yay! Thanks for the pic.
Can you please tell us what you're doing today?
Well, today I'm planting soybeans.
Il fait un vent terrible, mais nous allons monter dans la SEMONS et nous allons vous montrer les choses. Donc ici dans la Doland, saison des semailles.
Right here.
Donc nous sommes venus voir comment on fait les semailles, quelle machine, quelle procédure. Voilà.
I have shoes on for the field.
Vous pouvez voir de loin la mécanisation de l'agriculture et on va se rapprocher et vous dire les choses dans les détails. À tout à l'heure.
Look who's driving.
Il faut venir apprendre.
Yeah. He's going to be a professional.
Couldn't counter him because I didn't know what. I just said, I'm just going to let it cross because otherwise it's going to cross and I'm going to hit it. So I just came to a stop and it crossed in front of me finally. It is a nice town. Growing and
I'm like, are you done? You know, and then there was one more that came a little bit later.
but there's certainly pros and cons for all. Silencers. Right here is a company that silencers these things. Joe has two of farms has an extensive far more expensive silencers. Heat sensor stuff. It's not full. It just repeated. Probably breeding right now.
Lots.
So, yeah, even through the winter, we saw lots. And colors are more vibrant to me this year, which is orchids. Really bud this year. It's really
Sandia, you know, we way missed it. I didn't go back to the Goodwill, but we can see if one of those they had leavings, wall hangings. Like we bought one that we'll put in our sitting room. It's, you know, Navajo style. They had something Goodwill. We had 3 Goodwill for like $16. Like, listen.
Donc c'est ce qu'on appelle l'unité des graines. Vous voyez, ça a 8 têtes. Donc quand les graines sortent d'ici, il n'y a pas de système hydraulique. Ça rentre à travers les... Vous voyez ça. Vous voyez, les graines passent par ici, entrent dans les têtes et les têtes distribuent les graines selon les bouquets. Pas de système hydraulique. Voilà.
Look who's driving.
Il faut venir prendre.
Yeah. He's going to be a professional.
Donc vous voyez là, nous avons une semeuse automatique ici. Comment vous voyez les choses? Vous voyez la ligne directe même que je suis, la semeuse, tout est automatisé, un satellite appuyé, voilà. Et c'est mon boss comme ça.
I've always wondered why God put that in this ground that can be farmed, but we way to get our product to market to where people will buy it. And so they had to start co-ops.
Oui, les coopératives.
You know, and I think somehow the villages are going to almost have to do that someday in Africa if they want to get to this where they can long term. They got to build infrastructure,
Yeah,
fertilizer plants,
yeah.
distribution centers, seed places, chemical warehouses.
Donc nous aimons la technologie, mais il faut des stations d'engrais, il faut des infrastructures. Vous voyez, il y a tout ça là. On ne va pas venir seulement déposer la machine. Il faut faire former les gens. Et nos gouvernements travaillent à pied d'œuvre pour qu'on puisse arriver là-bas et nourrir l'Afrique. Ici, depuis la Doland, dans la Dakota du Sud. Regardez.
You know, back in the 1800s, it's always a good time.
So can you please tell us what you're doing today?
Well, today I'm planting soybeans.
Ok, aujourd'hui c'est la semence du soja. And using all this equipment and technology.
Yep. Yep. This is telling me how much seeds per acre I'm putting down, how many pounds per acre.
Okay.
So it's 52.6 pounds because this green is, I'm running the meter out of the back tank. There are three
Okay.
tanks.
Okay.
So and that's this tank here. So if I do that, I can, that's the front tank. That one just about ran empty.
Okay.
And that's the middle one. That's the back one. It's still pretty full. So
Oh,
I
yeah.
can watch the seeds
That
go
yellow
down.
back there.
Yep. Yep. So I can watch inside, so I can actually watch the seed go empty. And then what's blue is what has been seeded.
Oh wow, le
And
bleu
what
que
is
vous
being
voyez,
seeded.
c'est ce qu'on a déjà semé. Wow.
This is I'm doing 46.8 acres per hour when I'm moving.
45.1 ar par heure. Voilà. Et ici, c'est ce qu'on appelle un ensemencement aérien. Nous sommes en train de semer du soja. Et c'est une semeuse satellite, à navigation satellite, avec tout ce que vous avez, les concentrations, le mouvement, tout ça. So the seed comes from the yellow tank.
Right. Right. So there's a fan at the in the back that's blowing into those. See those in the middle?
Yes.
So there's airflow through those tubes. And then the tanks are pressurized.
Okay.
So no air goes up into the tanks.
Okay.
So it can only go through the tubes.
Okay.
So then underneath
Dans
at the
le
bottom of the
jaune.
meters, that meter
Vous
that
voyez.
down into the airflow that then blows to the points.
C'est câble gris. Et les semences passent par ça. Et il n'y a pas d'air qui entre dans le tonneau jaune. And so they come through all these spokes here, right?
So if you look on the unit, you can see those. It's called the head
The head.
up there, and so those big tubes go and blow up into there,
Okay.
and then it spreads to all those smaller tubes. And that unit on the tube that's there, that's a block. It tells me if one of them is blocked.
Okay.
But that head So it gets up there and then it distributes evenly and blows to all the different points. And
The
there's
number of
8
seeds.
of those.
Mhm.
There's 8 of those. I'm putting down about 150,000 seeds per acre.
150,000.
Per acre.
Ça fait 150 000.
And an acre is probably about the size of a
hectare.
soccer field.
Donc quand on parle d'hectare, c'est disons la dimension de football.
So there'd be 150,000 seeds in that amount.
Ouais. Donc quand on prend un terrain de football vrai, donc on met 150 000 graines de soja. Ce que nous sommes en train de faire. Et on fait 46 par heure.
Hear that, so hopefully.
You know, Miles is just out here going in circles.
It sounds like around Charlotte it's kind of rough.
Oh.
You know, as far as
Donc on a fini le travail du jour. Ici c'est un autre champ qu'on va ensemencer demain. Et j'espère que tu as mangé de la pâte. Ok, regardez. Que fait l'argent de l'Afrique en Occident?